Austin is known for its character-rich neighborhoods filled with historic bungalows, mid-century homes, and classic Southern-inspired architecture. If you own an older or historic home in Austin, your front door is more than just an entry point. It's a defining architectural feature. Over time, however, aging doors can become drafty, warped, or less secure. The challenge is upgrading your door without sacrificing the charm that makes your home unique. Fortunately, modern replacement doors can be customized to preserve historic character while improving comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Preserving architectural integrity. Older Austin homes often feature distinctive design elements such as arched doorways, decorative glass inserts, wood panel detailing, or transoms. When replacing a door, maintaining these original design cues is essential. Today's replacement doors can be tailored to match historic aesthetics, including raised panel wood look designs, decorative or stained glass inserts, divided light grille patterns, custom stains, and painted finishes. Fiberglass doors, in particular, can convincingly mimic real wood grain while offering superior durability. This allows homeowners to maintain traditional appearance without ongoing maintenance concerns. Improving energy efficiency without changing the look. Many historic Austin homes were built before modern insulation standards. Older wooden doors may have gaps, worn weather stripping, or thin panels that allow air leakage. In Austin's hot summers, that can mean higher cooling bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Modern replacement doors offer insulated foam cores, double or triple pane glass inserts, low-E coatings to reduce solar heat gain, advanced weather stripping systems. These features improve indoor comfort while keeping your home's historic style intact. You can maintain a classic exterior while benefiting from modern performance. Strengthening security. In older homes, security standards have evolved significantly over the years. Many older doors lack reinforced frames, updated locking systems, or impact-resistant materials. Replacement doors can include reinforced steel or fiberglass cores, multi-point locking systems, heavy-duty strike plates, impact-resistant glass options. These upgrades enhance protection without compromising your home's appearance. For Austin homeowners, this combination of style and security provides valuable peace of mind. Addressing warping and weather damage. Austin's climate brings intense sun, humidity, and seasonal temperature shifts. Over time, traditional wood doors can warp, crack, or swell due to moisture exposure. Fiberglass and steel replacement doors resist these issues. They maintain their shape, resist fading, and require significantly less maintenance than traditional wood doors. For homeowners who love the look of wood but want durability, wood grain fiberglass doors offer an excellent solution. Custom sizing for unique openings. Historic homes often feature non-standard door sizes or unique entry configurations. Off-the-shelf options may not provide the precise fit needed. Professional door replacement includes custom measurements to ensure the new door fits properly within the existing frame. Proper installation prevents drafts, moisture intrusion, and structural stress. Custom sizing also allows you to preserve original trim, sidelights, or transoms that contribute to your home's historic character. Meeting historic district guidelines. Some Austin neighborhoods have preservation guidelines that regulate exterior changes. Working with experienced professionals ensures your replacement door complies with local requirements. Custom designs allow you to replicate original styles while incorporating modern materials that enhance durability and efficiency. Enhancing curb appeal and property value. The front door plays a central role in first impressions. A well-designed replacement door can refresh your home's appearance while maintaining its historic charm. Whether you choose a rich wood finish, a bold painted color, or decorative glass details, the right door enhances curb appeal and increases property value. Blending tradition with modern comfort. Replacing a door in an older Austin home doesn't mean sacrificing history. Today's replacement doors are designed to honor traditional architecture while delivering modern benefits. With improved insulation, stronger security, durable materials, and customizable design options, you can preserve your home's character while upgrading its performance. For Austin homeowners who cherish their home's heritage but want better comfort and efficiency, a thoughtfully selected replacement door offers the perfect balance between past and present.